Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are fine. Here, today we will learn investigating and drawing angles. Let investigate. Without measuring, work out the angle of x. We just need to find the angle of x. So how we will find angle of x? As we know this here, we will have a right angle triangle. So if here is 90, so you also know the sum of the angles on a straight line is 180. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know is sum of angle of a straight line is 90 and the sum of triangle is also 180 degree. So if here is 90 that we have, so other two in a right angle triangle should be same. So how many? So 90 we have, so 90 is left. So 90 divided by 2 because we need two angle, so that is 45. So here must be 45, but there is one another reason. Okay, so maybe this angle should be greater, and maybe here we have 90 degree. So what we will do, as we know that here is any angle, as here is 80, here is 70. So what angle should be here? So 80 plus 70, 150. So which angle is left here? Here should be 30. So what we will do here? Here should be 30 angle here. Okay, next. If 30 is here, 40 is here, 40 is here. So we know the straight angle is 180. So 40 plus 40, 80. So which angle is left here? 100. Because we will make 180. So here should be 180. So which angle should be left here in this side? So here is 30, here is 100, here is should be 50. Because when we add this all, so it's equal to 180. If 50 is here, 90 is here. So how many we are adding to make it 180? So that is 40 degree. So with the help of this, we know that here we need x over x should be 4.